All right, hello. So today we just read the dot and now we are working on our dot project. It is me, Miss Coulter. I am talking to you. Yes, hi, hello, great to see you. So what we are doing is you are going to get a coffee filter. When you get it, you're gonna need to flatten it out because it's gonna be all scrunkled up, ready to hold coffee. You can even just flip it over to make sure it's nice and flat. Today we are unlocking markers. That is our goal. Remember to use markers correctly. You will grab your marker. Make sure your cap is on the back of it so it does not get lost. And when you are closing it, listening for that click. What we are doing is we are going to be using markers on the coffee filter. I want you to use any pattern you want, any color marker you want. It's up to you. But what I need you to do is make sure you have marker all over the coffee filter. What I'm gonna do for mine is I'm gonna grab my marker and I'm just gonna fill in these ridges different colors. You can do a pattern with it, so you can just do a color and then skip a few and do the color again and just repeat that to make a pattern. I don't care how you do it. The only thing I do not want you to do is I don't want you to grab your marker and then just scribble all over your coffee filter and then go, I'm done, because you're not, okay? That's not what I'm asking you to do. So, grabbing our marker, coloring in the coffee filter. I know this is amazing. This is fun. I am going to cut and then show you how I colored in my coffee filter. If you want to, you can draw a picture. I wouldn't really recommend drawing a picture just for the sole reason of what our next step is going to be, but I'm not going to stop you if that's what you want to do. I will return once I have colored in my coffee filter how I want it to look. All right, so I have mine all colored in. This is what it looks like. It's so beautiful. When you are doing this, I'm going to tell you if you are using warm colors or cool colors, depending, that's the colors you're going to use to make your dot. If you can handle this, we are moving on to the next step, which is once it is completely full, notice how my coffee filter has almost no white on it. This is how I want yours to look. If it does not look like this, I'm going to ask you to keep adding more marker. Once it looks like this, we are going to melt it. We're going to make it super melty. We're going to spray it with water. To spray it with water, you are going to get a tray. We are putting our coffee filter on a tray. We do not want the water to go everywhere all over the art studio. We want it to just go on the tray. I will have a spray bottle. I will spray your coffee filter with the spray bottle until it is all wet. Then you are going to watch and see how the crayon how the marker just melts together, because marker is made out of water and color. So when you add more water to your marker, it's going to melt and blend like you see it doing. To leave it dry, we are going to walk over to the drying racks and you will put your coffee filter on the drying racks. I don't want you to touch this like I am. The reason I don't want you to do that is because now my fingers are covered in marker and now I have to wash my hands. We want to avoid having the whole class wash our hands. It's gonna take a long time, okay? So I want you to just lift your coffee filter like this. Use two hands if you need to, and then you will put it on the drying rack like I show you.